Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play games from the Epic Games launcher on your Steam Deck. This is easy to do. First thing you need to go to is power and switch to the desktop mode. And this is the desktop mode. It's the first time you've ever been to it. Go to the bottom left and go to this little folder. This is similar to like File Explorer looks like, but it says Discover, and this is where all your applications are going to be. And it's kind of like a mini store, where we can go ahead and download stuff for SteamOS. So top left, let's just type in, there's two different game launchers we can get. We can get Lutris, press enter, and this is what this looks like. Just open it up and you'll be able to see it. Otherwise, the other one is Heroic. Press enter. Then I have this one installed too. Click it. Then install in the upper right. Mine says remove. Yours would say install. Let's go to launch now. And launch this onto my Steam Deck. And then you can choose the stores. And then go to Epic Store right here. And it's loading. And you'll have to sign in with your Epic Games account. The top right. So mine is already on there. And then you just scroll on through here and get the games that you want. And I don't know, I think mine is like Korean. I must have did something at one point where I switched the store location, or I just made a new account. Now, the cool thing about this is there's always like these free games each month, or every couple days it switches over. So just continue to scroll on down to the bottom. I can't see where it is, but there is some games that I usually just go ahead and just add to my library under here. I think this is it right here. So right now, I'm not going to download Rugrats Adventure in Gameland. So some of them are good. Like Fallout 4 was on here last month. But once you have the game on here, you just simply click it. And then you go to add to cart and get the game. Then switch on over to your library. So I got some games under here like Rocket League. That's a good one to have. Callisto Protocol. I got that one. Then you want to click the game. Go to the top right and go to add to Steam. And this will add it to the game mode. So another thing that we want to do is you can just launch the game browser from game mode 2 by going to Steam. And then add non-Steam game. So go to add game. Go to add non-Steam game. And then find whatever you downloaded, Lutris or the game launcher, and add it as a non-Steam game. So I have Arc under here. This is a non-Steam game, I'm believing. And then go to add, select programs. Then go to the library in the game mode. And use R1 and tab on over to non-Steam games. And you'll be able to find it. And you'll be able to launch it on there. So that is how you can add the game. Like any kind of game really under there. So I got Rocket League under here. And then you can start playing it. Very easy. So yeah, just sign in and you'll be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.